Hi, Pitufo Karpintero po. Ngayong araw na ito, samahan niyo akong mag-unbox at mag-review tayo ng Model 4328 Orbital Jigsaw na gawa ng Makita. Makita Orbital Jigsaw. Ano nga ba ang jigsaw? Ang jigsaw ay isang power tool na ginagamit sa pagtabas ng kahoy, primarily sa mga pakurbada. It is a very versatile tool dahil pwede siya sa straight cuts, lalo na sa curve cuts. Pwede din ipang plunge cuts at of course, bevel cuts. Perfect ito para sa mga beginners at DIYers kasi hindi siya masyadong aggressive. So, hindi lang siya less intimidating than the circular saw, safer pa. And evidently, cheaper din. By the way, I was told that this model may have been phased out already here in the Philippines. Kaya I understand if hindi mint condition yung box niya. So upon opening the box, you'll immediately find the warranty card. Syempre, basta original Makita, meron tong lifetime service warranty. Then we have the user manual. Again, just take time to read this. The package I got has a free Jigsaw Blade. Kaso, nag-iisa nga lang siya. Then finally, the jigsaw itself. This particular model has a 450 watts powerful motor. This is an orbital jigsaw model, so you can set it to have an elliptical motion habang tumatabas. Pero the higher the orbital setting, the rougher the cut result. Meron siyang cutting capacity na 65mm. Ang stroke length niya naman ay 18mm. Pwede siya for cutting delicately of 500 strokes per minute. Pwede din naman siya hanggang very aggressive na 3100 strokes per minute. This is also designed with equal counterweight distribution, resulting to a very low vibration. So sa top part niya, you'll find the rubberized handle grip. Very comfortable and secure naman siya. So below that, you'll find the trigger switch. And this is the lock on button. You can select the speed settings using this speed dial. You can turn this from the lowest up to level 6, which is yung pinakamabilis. Here is the transparent sliding cover. Yung cutting action niya is in upward motion, kaya merong small fragments ng wood na tumatalsik upwards. So this is very helpful. Right next to it, you'll find the orbital settings. You can turn the knob from off to number 3. Sa bandang likod naman, you'll find the hex wrench holder. This is useful para hindi agad mawala yung alloy wrench mo. You use this wrench kasi each time you adjust the plate and the blade. This is the dust collector opening. So you basically connect your vacuum hose dito. Ito naman yung base plate, or sometimes it's called the shoe. It's made of steel and it's very sturdy and stable. Underneath you'll find the bevel adjustment. You have to use the wrench to adjust either sides up to 45 degrees. And nandito yung gauge niya. Then again, use the wrench to tighten it back. It accepts the most common kind of blade, the T-shank. Pero hindi siya naka-quick change key. So you have to use the hex wrench to loosen and tighten the socket each time you want to change the blade. You can use several kinds of blades in this jigsaw. Pwede yung pang wood, for plastic, for steel, kahit ilang tooth per inch as long as T-shank yung connector niya. Alright, so for a beginner, mga nagdi-DIY lang muna, and who's trying to decide whether to buy a jigsaw or a circular saw, try to consider few things. First, the budget. Mas mura talaga ang jigsaw. Second, if you're planning to do more of a straight cuts, like for cabinets, tables, chairs, then get a circular saw. Ang jigsaw kasi tends to bevel unintentionally kasi manipis lang ang blade niya. Lalo na, hindi na-adjust yung height ng blade nito unlike the circular saw. Pero if you're into arts and craft and you need curving cuts and mga softwood lang naman ang puputulin mo like palochina, plywood, then jigsaw is for you. Then finally, if you're not comfortable yet sa power tools, ayaw mo nang may ingay at matatakotin ka, then again, jigsaw is definitely the right choice for you.